Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn about a beautiful word. Idyllic. Let's discover what it means together. Idyllic is a special word we use to describe a place or time that feels very peaceful and beautiful. It's like a dream come true. So what does it really mean? Idyllic means something is perfect, calm, and full of happiness. Think of words like peaceful, lovely, and perfect. Just look at this place. Doesn't it feel calm and beautiful? This is what we call an idyllic place. It makes you feel relaxed and happy. Here's how we use it. The small village by the river is an idyllic place to live. Can you imagine living there? An idyllic garden is quiet and full of flowers. It's the kind of place where you can breathe deeply and feel at peace. Another example, we had an idyllic day at the park with sunshine and no noise. Perfect, right? Now, idyllic is similar to beautiful, but there's a difference. Beautiful means pretty and nice, but idyllic means peaceful and perfect. It's about the feeling of calm and happiness. Why should you use this word? Because it helps you describe peaceful places or special moments. It shows something is perfect and happy, and it makes your words more colorful and meaningful. Let's remember 3 things. Idyllic means very peaceful and beautiful. It describes places or moments. And you can use it to share happy and calm feelings with others. Thank you so much for watching. Now you know what idyllic means. Use this beautiful word to describe the peaceful moments in your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons.